Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to talk about permutation. And the formula is the permutation of n taken r at a time is equal to n factorial divided by the quantity of n minus r factorial. So we have here the permutation of 10 taken 3 at a time. Ano ang n natin? Ang n is yung bago yung p, so this one is 10. And then yung r natin is 3. Okay, having that, let's substitute n factorial. So ang n natin is 10. So 10 factorial over what is n minus r. So ang n natin is 10 minus r, which is 3, and then factorial. So we have to subtract this one first. 10 minus 3 is 7, correct? So 10 factorial over 7 factorial. Now what is 10 factorial? We have 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial na lang. Ha, mag-end na tayo dyan para makancel na lang natin. Kasi yung denominator natin ay 7 factorial. Pero pwede nyo siyang ituloy-tuloy ha, pero masyadong mahaba siya. So we will just cancel 7 factorial. What will remain is 10 times 9 times 8. Now what is 10 times 9? 90 times 8. That is 720. So the answer is 720. Ang dali lang, no? O, i-comment kung madali lang, ha? And then you try. What will be the permutation of 15 taken 5 at a time? What will be the answer? O, you try to solve for this, ha? And don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!